All right, guys. So today's session is all about, we have quite almost from very basic of Facebook ads and to kind of advanced stuff we have covered to how to create A/B testing, how to create buyers persona, what type of campaigns we have. All right, how to target, how to do A/B testing, and how to create right kind of ad formats. Along with that, Instagram, Facebook targeting and placements we have learned so far. So are we clear, are we guys clear so far that whatever we have learned in Facebook ads, that is done? Like you have pretty clear that whatever we have learned so far, it is done, or you have still questions, or you are still thinking that how to get this thing done. We have recordings available that you can watch it. But as if now, what I have covered, is that clear with you guys, that how I have covered all the steps from very basic to create Facebook Ads Manager, to create the very first campaign, and to provide your link, then thank you page integration of your pixels. A lot of things I have already shown you how to do this thing properly, okay, from very scratch. And I hope you agree with that, that you have learned that much. If you are clear, so go ahead and chat, type please CC if you are clear. Okay, sort of clear. What about others? Please provide your inputs. If you are clear, please drop CC. I want to ask something, Nisha. Okay. All right. Nisha, can you ask right now? What's your question? Yes, Nisha, go ahead. Please ask. Hello. I think she not able to speak. Anyways, you can ask me later. I think for some reason you're not able to ask, but it's okay. All right. So, so all people have clarity, right? Other people have all the clarities. Only Nisha has one question. We can answer it later as well. Fine. Hi, Shankul. You are pretty late, but not too late. We have just about to start the session.
Yes.
All right. So far, Shankul, I was discussing that whatever we have covered in Facebook ad, is it clear that the how we started from the scratch of the Facebook ads journey? We created a pixel account, then we integrated on the website, then we create conversion campaign, then we started monitoring, tracking. Showed I shown you that how to create campaign, A/B testing, split testing, and all. So is that clear
Yes,
so
yes.
far that what I have shown you?
It's clear.
Clear.
Yes, it's
Perfect.
clear.
Perfect. Perfect. All right. So today's session
We're
is
gonna
all
practice
about,
with
yeah.
demo practice.
Awesome. Awesome. All right. So let me tell you, today's session is all about, we have already seen how to use detailed targeting option. Whatever we have done in a recent past, remember that what kind of examples we had when we created a conversion campaign. One is for Rolex watch. Remember? One was for Rolex watch. What was the other one?
Yes,
Yes. Another restaurant
Restaurant
owners.
website designing work, right?
yes,
Yes, so we have covered two examples so far in that, but that too was inside. I can say it was in a detailed targeting feature. Now today, and a very important session is all about that how to create a custom audiences from Facebook ads. Again, why to use a custom audiences? There are a lot of questions again. So why to use custom audiences? Custom audiences are for those who have lot of data already, and you they want to run out of one campaign inside. Let's suppose I have 5,000 followers on Instagram, and I want to run ads to those people, those who have followed me on Instagram. I can show particularly ad to them, not to whole India, whole world. No, I just want to show advertisement to those who are following me on Instagram, maybe on Facebook page. Second thing, I want to create advertisement for those who have visited my recently website, who have recently visited my website. I want to show to them. Very first thing. Second thing, I want to create lookalike audiences from my existing data. Again, what is lookalike audiences? Lookalike audiences is a very, very great thing which is be provided by your Facebook ads algorithm. What it does, let me just give you an example. Suppose you are running a dentist clinic, okay? You are a dentist clinic, and you have 100 patients, or maybe 500 patients list, okay, and you must be having that because you are running dentist business from very long time, and you must be having some data, okay, at least 3 400 data. And when I will try to run Facebook ads for particularly one dentist, the problem would be if I go from very scratch. so my targeting will be not be correct, because it's very hard to find someone in Facebook ads to those who are showing interest in dentist. Or let's take some other example, maybe some kindergarten school for the parents, those who having kids 6 years, 7 years, 3 years. Okay, kindergarten, right? You all know guys what is kindergarten, right? So those who want to enroll their kids in the kindergarten, they want to run the advertisement. But the thing goes over here, it's very difficult to do it when we do detailed targeting. Like we have to select first the demographic location, the parents, then age group and all. It's a very long work. If you want to reduce the work, this kind of work, if you want to reduce it, what you have to do it, you have to take out the existing database customers. Like suppose you have already 300 customers, you have to upload it on Facebook ads in custom audiences. When you do so, Facebook ads will create a look-alike audiences on behalf of your, on the basis of your particular data. Suppose you give 400 data, Facebook will create 10 lakh people as lookalikes your 400 people of data. So it will try to match all the scenarios. I suppose if your 400 people likes pages, those who are related to the parents, or those who related to the parents product, maybe parents schooling, anything into that category, Facebook algorithm will try to find out in whole Facebook in India. If you, wherever you're going to target it, they will create a whole category and give it to you without any charging, as a lookalike audiences build it. Okay, so you can easily target those people and get your stuff done quickly. So we are going to see that how lookalike audiences created, and how many type of lookalike audiences we have inside it. There is lot more lookalike audiences available. Let's go ahead and explore it, guys. Are you ready, guys? If you are excited, go ahead and type excited in the chat. So we'll go ahead to see lookalike audiences in Facebook Ads Manager today. All right, go ahead, go ahead. Awesome. So let me just share you this thing, my Ads Manager.
Sorry to ask you, Vijay, which topic we are discussing. I just jumped in.
It's a lookalike audiences. Is my screen visible, guys? Visible? Great.
Yes, please, sir.
Great. So let me just open up my account quickly. All right. So our topic is to create a lookalike audiences. And again, it's a very one of the important stuff. And you must all master all these lookalike audiences thing, because it will really help you to create good revenue, because the ultimate hustle is to create this data. Okay. If you know how to create this data, you'll get results very easily from Facebook ads. I'm telling you. Okay. Facebook ads is not that very difficult that you will not able to master it. Just you have to find out some fundamentals, and you have to apply in right way to get the data done. It's all about data creation, formation, and showing the results. That's it. Simple fundament. It's not a very complex. All right, let's go ahead and create some audiences from right here. We have multiple ways to create an audiences. Okay, so I'll show you one way, which is from straight direct. Okay, let's say I want to create a traffic campaign. Okay, if I want to create a traffic campaign, I'm clicking on continue. Okay, I'm clicking on continue. It is asking all the same questions. Okay, I'm just creating Instagram follower campaign. Okay, I want to run Instagram follower campaign, swipe up campaign, where you have must be seen a lot of ads are coming where people are saying, hi, my name is this. If you want to know more, please swipe up to follow me on Instagram. You might have seen this kind of advertisement, right? So I'm going to create similar to this kind of advertisement today. And for to that, I will target those people who are already following me on Instagram, or those who are looks like the existing following kind of people. I will try to target them. How I'll do it, let me just show you. Okay, I just all this, let it be. I will not touch anything. Campaign budget optimized, one of my favorite. I'll keep it 500 as if now. No worries, it's up to you. Whatever you can pay it, you can go ahead. Facebook never stops asking for your money. Best thing. All right, so let me just give you here I'm going to type is LLA. Okay, this is my style of writing ad sets. I write LLA. LLA means for look like audiences. Okay, so I can easily find out that this particular ad set is created for look like audiences. Okay, look like audiences who followed. Okay, you can write anything you want, but it is just for my sake of getting the data correct, that okay, what is inside. Because if you see from here, the problem is, if you see from here, you will not able to find out what is inside this database. Okay, let me just remove it, then you will know that what I'm trying to say. Here you can see a lot of ad sets is going to come. See, right, lot of ad sets, but I don't know which one is lookalike, which one is interest based, which one is normal one. So I have to write something like this to understand which is lookalike audiences, which is targeted audiences, which is retargeted. Everything I have to write it something like that. So it will be a good, nicely managed thing for me. Okay. So I'm going to continue again. I haven't done yet. I will click on website because I want to drive traffic to one particular website. I will schedule it. Now, here is the game, guys. When you come to the audiences part, under the audiences, we have two options. One is create new and use saved audiences. If you have saved audiences, it will show you. Suppose you are creating a new ads manager right now and you don't have any kind of audiences created already. So let's create an audience today, guys. Okay. First of all, you have to click here. If you don't have any audiences, it will ask, what do you want to create? You want to create a custom audience or you want to create a lookalike audience? First, I will create a custom audience. If your custom audience is ready, on the basis of custom audience, you can create a lookalike audiences. This is the first step. This is the second step. Okay, create a custom audience first, then create a lookalike audiences. On the basis of 400 data, you can generate 10 lakh of people data. How you will do it, I'll show you. Let's create on custom audiences. Now we have a lot of options right now. You can choose your source. It could be from website, it comes from application. If you can custom alerts, if you have an Excel sheet, you can upload it to create a custom data. Suppose many people ask like how Facebook able to show that kind of advertisement, which we have already seen. Suppose you clicked on website, you go to the Amazon, you go to Flipkart, you have seen one particular product, but after the moment you watch that product, the product is following you everywhere, and everywhere that product is showing up. Correct? Everyone has seen it. This kind of thing. Correct? This is called remarketing or retargeting in Facebook ads and Google ads. It's called remarketing or retarget. The moment you visit our website, this particular ad will follow you for next 7 days everywhere, and Facebook ads and Google ads. Are you clear, guys? What is remarketing and retargeting?
Yes, clear.
Yes, so you should be clear that how to create a retargeting or remarketing thing, because this particular thing brings enormous of results. Okay, retargeting is a really good thing. You should also master it. Okay, because it is all about the follow-up. Suppose I am selling this Rolex watch right now. Suppose I am wearing Rolex watches, and the people coming to my store are leaving the store easily. But my ultimate goal is to show my products again for next 7 days, and I will send them discount coupons. Suppose first time they come to my website and I told them this particular watch is for 10,000 rupees right now, for example. Now, when you want to watch a second time this particular advertisement, I will say, hey Nihar, hey Basuraj, just because you have visited my website, I'm giving you 20% straight discount right now for next 24 hours. Okay, now you have another psychology in your mind that okay, this is something interesting. He is now giving 20% discount. Very first thing, that my brand is familiar because you have already visited my website. Yes or no? So it is really going to easy to take decision after seeing another ad from my side with along with the good discount on my watch. Is it going to work, guys? If I retarget you with the good discount?
Yes, yes.
Absolutely, it works, right? So we have options like this. We can create customer list. We can upload our customer. Suppose you have 5,000 customer list in Excel sheet. You can upload it and you can say Facebook, okay, you can target 5,000 people and please show advertisement to them. Suppose you want to invite your old participants, alumni in your big organization, like you are running MNC, suppose. Okay, and MNC there is nearly around 4 to 5,000 people works across the world, or maybe 5 to 10,000. It could be more than that, right? So
what should be the minimum list? Like
100.
100. Okay.
The minimum list should be 100, and it's always recommended to, if you can get the data more, it will be beneficial to create lookalike audiences better, because Facebook is algorithm, right? Facebook is algorithm. If I give 1,000 people of data, Facebook will be like, okay, now I'm getting your data and now it's fine. I have 1,000 people to analyze, then I will bring you 10 lakh people like this. But so the moment you give 100 people, Facebook will say, okay, I'll manage somehow. Just bring me 100 people. Now I will try to analyze those who are looks like 100 people in your list. But it will be difficult for him, right? So more the data we give to Facebook, it will be super easy to create a lookalike audience for them. Agree, guys? Because he can analyze really quickly. Because if we give less data, it will be difficult for him. Because billions of people are using Facebook every day, right? It is very difficult job for a system to detect which is the right audience for your target product. Getting it, guys?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. One more thing. If we have a like subscribed list, we can integrate into this customer list, right?
Absolutely, yes, you can do it. If you have email list already, and you can do it, but you have to do it manually. We have still high level advertisement. We have to use some applications as well. But yes, you can do it definitely. The answer is you can do it. You can take out data in Excel. You can upload it, and you can start showing advertisement to those people who have subscribed to your email list. Maybe those who are running big MNC companies, those who want to show, those who want to market their company values. Like suppose Diwali is coming, and it's an Indian Infosys brand, and Infosys brand is not in India. It is all around the world. People are working, 15,000, 20,000 plus employees in the Infosys, but we want to share the message. So what we will do, we will create simple advertisement for Happy Diwali message and Facebook ads. We will upload the list. Those who are under the list, they will start showing advertisement, like getting advertisement everywhere in Facebook ads. This is how people are doing it right now. Getting it, guys?
Yes, yes.
All right, so let's talk a little more. We have sources. One is normal sources, which is our sources. I can give my custom website, my own application. I can give my own data as an Excel sheet. I can give offline activity. That is a different thing. Let's not talk about this right now. But Facebook offers says, if you don't have a website, an app, customer list, it's okay. You just tell me what you want. You have other resources as well, because we are already using Facebook. We are already using Instagram. If we don't have our website, if we don't have our customer yet, you can still create a custom audiences out of it. So how you can do it? It's asking. It says, if you have ever uploaded any Facebook video or Instagram video, you can take out that particular video and you can target that video. Suppose I've uploaded one video and I got 1 lakh people, 1 lakh views on it. Okay, I got 1 lakh views. So Facebook can say, okay, you choose this video, and those who have liked this particular video, show advertisement to them particularly. You're getting it? So this is how video works. So first you have to upload one video, then only you can choose it. If you don't have any video, it doesn't make sense to choose this option. But anyways, I will show you how it works. Okay. First you have to choose this. See, people who viewed at least 3 seconds of video, people who viewed last 10 seconds, people who have watched 25 seconds, 50%, 75. What do you think? Which option would be really good for a conversion?
50% or 75%.
Those who are watching my above 50% videos, they are more likely to interact with my brand, correct?
Yes.
You getting it, guys? All clear?
Yes,
Yes. So you can choose this as if now, and see, the moment you choose this, it will say choose your video, from which video you are talking about to a target above 50%. So moment I click, I have few videos right here, which I'm got some views like 554 views. So I can click here and confirm it. The moment I confirm it, it says retention. Those who viewed my particular video in last 365 days. Okay. Now I can create a custom audience name is 50% viewed.
Video viewers.
Okay. Wait. Let's write something else. 50% watched. Okay. 50% watched HVAC, because it's a HVAC video. So let me just write like this, so you'll know it. After creating, it's done. The moment you create like this, it will ask some more questions. It says simply that, do you want to create a lookalike audiences straight right now? As I told you, remember, there was a first step 1 and step 2. You are done with the step 1. It is asking to go next step, which is step 2 right now. Okay, it's saying you have given input to ads manager that you want to target those people who have viewed your particular video more than 50%. Now it's saying, do you want more persons like this, similar people like this? It's saying reach similar to the audience you just created, creating lookalike audiences. Okay, the moment I click on this, just see what will happen. It says in which region you want to create. Of course, India. You can go beyond India, across the globe, you can do it. Now we have a percentage, 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, and up to 10%. It's recommended to start using by 1% because under 1% audience, you will get how many audiences? 4.3 million of data similar to your video. Those who will be interested. Getting it? You are straight going to access 4.3 million people of data, those who are serious about this kind of videos. Facebook is helping you, not you are putting your mind and doing it. That's why custom audiences and lookalike audiences really works like charm. That's why most of the majority of people want to use Facebook advertisements right now in 2021, because this thing really works really fast. Okay, the moment I click this, it will start creating these audiences. Okay, the moment I click this, what happened in custom audiences? First, they added my this video as engagement, and another audiences as lookalike in 1%, 50% watch. So these audiences are saved now. The moment I've created, it is saved. So if suppose I've removed this, okay, suppose I remove this, it's not available here. Now you will say like, from where to access now? You have just removed. Do I have to create again from here? No, you don't have to create, because once you create it, it will be going to save forever, and you can delete it, of course. So in the saved audience, you can find it. Okay. You have to refresh it, otherwise you will not get it. Or else I can show you some other way. Wait, hang on. Go back to here. And just in case you want to verify that you have audiences or not, come here and have a look here. On your left, under advertise, audiences, okay? Click on audiences. You will find your recently created audiences straight here. Getting it? On the top. On the top. It's ready, and it's saying availability is ready. But there is something quite noticeable right now. I want to show you, which is this. What is the audience size we have? It says below 1,000. Okay, below 1,000. If your audience size is below 1,000, it's not recommended to go ahead and use in campaign. You should at least have something at least like this. Okay, something like this, like something like 24,000, somewhat 33,000. Then only you should use it. Otherwise, if it's below 1,000, it doesn't going to make sense to use it. So okay, so we will use some other lookalike audience feature. Let's go ahead. I'm creating, my object is to create Instagram follower account to grow my Instagram followers. Okay, so what I will do, I'll come here. I will create a custom audience for myself. Custom audience. What is my objective, guys? To create those kind of people who have already followed me on Instagram. This is my objective. Listen carefully. Now, this is Instagram account, and I've already linked my Instagram account in Ads Manager. I'll click on next. The moment I'll click, it is ask a lot of accounts I have. Okay, let me just go to my account. Here's my account. Now, what kind of people you want to create out of it? So one is everyone who engaged with your professional account, those who have commented, maybe like my any kind of photo in my Instagram. Anyone who visited professional account profile. Okay, anyone who visited my profile but not following, I want to target them. Or people who engaged with any post or ad, that one. People who sent message in professional account, maybe they're not following, maybe they're not liking and commenting on my Instagram post, but they're talking to me in a DM. I want to reach them. Or people who saved any post of my ad or particular advertisement. You're getting it? I have this 5 options, and this is a golden 5 options to use and to grow Instagram account using Facebook Ads Manager technique. Okay, this is the one of the golden finest rule. If you can start mastering, you can in fact do for others to generate to create better follower campaign. Okay, so let's go. What is profitable for me right here? What I will do, everyone who engaged with your like who visited my profile. Okay, this would be my targeted audiences.
Very deeply targeting.
Okay, and now you have one question that why I have choose this option, why not others? Can anyone explain why I have choose this
Because
option?
you are looking only for the people who are following your account.
Yeah, actually, see here might be the thing that those who are not following right now, okay, those who are not following, but my ultimate goal is to convert those people as well, those who are visiting my Instagram profile but not following me. Okay, might be they are visiting for once, but I want to bring them again in my Instagram profile to showcase them. So what I will do, I'll select this. Okay, I will select this. After selecting, I have to give the name again, retention. How many days you have to retain, like in last 365 days, those who have visited my Instagram profile, I can take out that kind of data. Now I have to name it profile visit, profile visits, main account. Okay, now quickly gonna click on this, create. Done, it is already created. Now what I will do, I will select on this, create a lookalike. I will say bring me more people, those who are interested to watch my profile similar to them. So I'll click on this, and again it will same thing, asking what should be the percentage, 1%, 2%, 3%. I'll stick to 1% again, and I'll hit this thing. Cool, it is added now. Can you see it, guys? It is added.
Yes.
Now what do you think? It will be going to difficult for me to get followers, because I know those who are visiting my profile, they are pretty much interested. That's why they have come to my checking my profile, they are stalking my profile. For some reason they are not following it. So what I done, I have created another lookalike audiences. Okay, to find those kind of people, those who might be interested to see my profile. So I'll start running ads for them. So what I will do, I will remove this. Why I should remove this?
Because you're only focused on local audience, I guess.
Absolutely, yes. I'm only focusing on lookalike audiences because I know those who have already visited my profile might not be interested, right? But I want to show more people to like them, those who have want to visit my profile, or maybe they follow me. Okay, so as if now I will remove this audience group, but I will keep this lookalike. Okay.
So every time whenever we go for lookalike audience, we have to choose the custom audience first, then we have to cancel it.
Yes. What otherwise what will happen? Those people who have already visited, they will start seeing your ads. This will start happening.
Okay, so you mean you are filtering from that?
Absolutely. I am filtering. I don't want. I could have done it from here as well. Okay, I could have done it from here as well, but it's not going to make sense, because if I can just simply remove from here, then my audiences are clear. I just want to reach those people who are similar to those people who are looking at my profile everyday basis but not following for some reason. So let it be those who have come so far. I don't want to target them. I want to target those people who haven't touched my profile yet, those who haven't seen my profile yet. Let them come and visit it. Okay.
Great tactic.
Yes. So again, I have this total control according to your businesses. You can decide it. Open your Instagram account, check your insights. What's your average age group in your audiences? And my Instagram age group is somewhat from 20. It starts from 19 to somewhat 45. Yes, no, let's go to 58. Let's go 58. There is no gender and all. And fantastic thing, you don't have to even touch this detailed targeting. Don't have to write something like this, those who are interested in digital marketing, I want to target. No, you don't have to do it. You know why? Because this lookalike audiences has created on the basis of your recent activity. Facebook is already smart enough to create a lookalike audiences. Everything is covered in lookalike audiences. In fact, you don't have to change the age as well. Let it be default. Don't change it. Facebook will take care of it, because Facebook knows what is the average age of your audiences, what is the average gender of your audiences, those who are checking out your profile everyday basis. So lookalike audience will take care of it. You don't have to do this any kind of certain changes. And if you will do it, you might be see some vice versa effect. Might be not getting followers, might be not getting kind of right kind of advertisement to the straight to people. It can be done. Okay. So let's go
Okay.
down. Let's
So
go down. Yeah, go ahead. What's that?
when you're saying that if Facebook is checking our past activity, you mean if you are running an ad only, or a post, or the people who are engaging?
Image. If you post any Instagram post, that is also getting tracked. Those people who are
Yeah.
liking, I can create audiences on the base as well, on the basis of their liking those
Okay.
people.
So you're saying that demographics we don't have to choose because the posts and the previous activities is already been tracked by this lookalike
Everything.
audience.
Everything, yes. As I told you, like we have five options right now. See, click here. Next, you can create on the basis of this. See these options. Anyone who professionally visited your profile, people who engage with your post, people sent a message in DM, people who saved your post. He's tracking everything, almost every activity on Instagram. You don't even know it. Those who are using Ads Manager, they know it. Whatever you're doing in Instagram, maybe checking out someone profiles, maybe you are writing or maybe straight putting on DMs. You're thinking no one is watching you, but we are watching you. Okay, we are watching you. We know what you are and where you are hanging out right now, and we can target you. So this is that powerful right now here. Okay, that is an intense thing. Hardly people use this custom audiences very deep level. Okay, this is a very important stuff that I'm showing you right now. Okay, let's go back. I have already created my custom audience, so I'll not touch it again. And yes, I got my this lookalike audiences. I showed you one step, full step. I have shown you from very scratch to till now, and I'm just going down below to change one very major thing. This was always be there, like on recommended. You have to come here and change to manual. Since you are running Instagram follower campaign, so what do you think? Where your ad should be shown? In Facebook, Messenger, or on Instagram? Of course, on Instagram,
Only
right?
Instagram.
Yes. And that too in just your stories. Remember, if you want to run Facebook, Instagram follower campaign, it's recommended to run story ads on Instagram, where people will see your story. Okay, in 15 seconds you will deliver something that hi, I am Vijay and I'm sharing a lot about digital marketing on everyday basis. If you want to know more about it, please swipe up to check out my profile, and don't forget to follow me. If you can say something like this, create an advertisement, put it there, bang on, you'll start seeing a lot of followers. So I will disable this. Facebook is not required, audience network is not required, messenger is not required. All I want is this Instagram stories option. See, I have to uncheck all this. I don't want these areas to shown. I just keep this Instagram stories, because my motive is to just run advertisement in Instagram stories right now. Okay. All right. Now what I will do, everything is done. You don't have to change it anything. Please don't change it, because it's not a conversion ad. The objective is traffic. We are bringing traffic to our Instagram profile, and those who are target audiences I have already created as lookalike. Don't ask that how I created lookalike. I've shown you 2 times right now, and I hope you are pretty clear that how I created, right? I have all the steps created clearly. Now let's move to the very important stuff, putting your ad. Okay, let's see if we have ad accounts ready. This is client accounts. Let me see, where is myself. Okay, the moment I change my Facebook page, it detected my Instagram account as well. You have to link it up like this, and if you file difficulty, you will get it on Google. Don't worry, it's a very easy process. Now it says please upload a video. So of course, when you will run Instagram stories, it's recommended to use video, not image, because image will not bring you a lot of audiences, of course. So here is the option. You can upload carousel on your Instagram stories as well. You can show collection, image or video. Let it be an image or video. I will choose this, add video, and let me see if we have some videos. Yeah, I have done a lot of testing already, right? I have tried lot many times. Okay, let me show you one thing. Yes, this was the campaign, and here is thing done. On your right, guys, my campaign is ready. My campaign is ready. Here, I have created my sweet follower campaign for my Instagram profile. The moment I will publish this, I will start getting a lot of followers for sure. Okay, this is the master for bring followers to Instagram account. Okay, via paid medium. All right, this is how we do. This is how we bring followers for ourselves, for others. There are a lot of things we can use for social media activities. We can go with the Facebook ads. We can use Google ads as well. A lot of things. But to use of Facebook ads in a right way to grow Instagram is this. Clear, guys? Do you find this interesting? How I've created this?
Yes, yes, very interesting.
Right?
Yes,
This is golden thing, right? If someone comes to you and says, yeah, मुझे Instagram account बढ़ाना, I want more followers on my Instagram, how I can get it? Don't tell them to buy your followers. Nope. Learn this method. Learn, master this thing. Tell them to you have to invest few money inside, but surely will bring results. Okay, you can work with big brands. They are spending 50,000 on your follow campaign every month. 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees they are spending to just getting followers, and they're doing it. And the way is same. Nothing has changed. I showed you the right way to create a follow-up campaign. Now it is live. It has been recorded on cam. I've never shared to anyone right now that how able to got so many followers in just like one way. Like there was few activities I've done. I've put a lot of content. I've do a lot of collaborations, but at the same time, I've started testing my advertisements. So it was my experience as well that how the ads are working, and this worked like anything. It's really worked me like a lot, and I got a lot of leads while running. A lot of people started asking me how you're running this advertisement, can you help our businesses as well? So in fact, I was getting followers, but at the same time I got few businesses as well for the same requirement. They wanted to do done for their company as well. All right, interesting, right?
Yeah, brilliant.
yeah, interesting.
Yes, and now of course you have to provide your website URL. So let's put your website URL, instagram.com/ my URL is this. Oops. Okay, pretty good. The moment the people will click on ad, it will directly go to the Instagram profile. And the fun fact, guys, the fun fact, those who are asking why I build my get set link thing. In the get set link, I built it for some reason. What happens here when I tested this Facebook ad? The moment I tested Facebook ad, I found there is a one problem in Facebook Ads Manager. The problem is this particular thing will get open in your Instagram browser instead of your profile section, normal section. Okay, it will open like this. In a phone, if you see, it will open something not a very in a right format. It is a very biggest problem. In order to solve that, I have to deep link. And for to create deep link, I founded GetSetLink to create a deep link, and I provide something like gsly.me, this kind of links here. And what will happen? The moment will people click on my ads, and my profile will get loaded in 2 seconds instead of waiting for 6 or 7 seconds. That is the beauty of using GetSetLink for follower campaign. That's why I built it for my earlier. I have built it GetSetLink for myself, but now I found a use case. Now I'm suggesting to everyone, those who are using this particular campaigns, because I know very people, those who are using every day this thing. Maybe you are very new to this, maybe not using it, but those are very old. They know how to grow Instagram profile using Ads Manager and all. They are spending a lot of amount and a lot of things testing to do it. So I know how to do in a right way. What is a hack? So this is the correct hack. Okay, as if now I've shown you what kind of website you have to add it. Of course, your profile, and give a call to action. What should be a call to action, guys? Please tell me.
Learn more.
In this case, it could be two things, like watch more or learn more.
Learn more.
right? You can get it like
Yes.
you can try with subscribe as well, but I have tried with subscribe, it didn't work like that. And for me it was something work like watch more. So I can push it here. The moment I push it, it will be published, and it will take some time. It is getting uploaded 2 of 3. Okay, and we can close it meanwhile when it's uploading. Okay, so as you can see it, in fact I have in fact done a lot of testing previous year. It's a previous year ad account. I'm not using my own ad account most of the time because I have few another ad accounts right now. So you can see what level of testing I have done it. Advertisement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let me just show you. Varieties of ads, different targeting, different location, different words, different call to actions. Then only I able to find out the sweet spot to Instagram to bring followers. Okay, that was not an easy job for me to get it. So that's how I got it. Let me just show you. Click, click, click. Little more. Then I will show you. Now I'll come to the ad sets. You see the ad sets, digital marketing specific. Each ad set is specific. Again, you can see age group is different. I've tested with different age groups, 18 to 35, 24 to 34. I was always wondered that I should get a right kind of audience. I don't want any stupid people in my Instagram, those who are asking some random shitty questions. I only want some serious guys and young guys, because digital marketing is all about young entrepreneurs right now, those who want to learn and grow. That's what my target. I just, as I written on my website and my bio as well, I want to have 1,000 personal brand practitioners, those who want to grow in this coming future, right? So that's why I targeted 18 to 35, 24 to 34. And here was my all the advertisement that I've created to test it. See, these kind of ads, different professional ads, few normal ads I've tested like this. I can show you a few of them, how it worked and all. Okay, this is generate a free leads for India. Like tried some different style, didn't work, failed. Then I tried something else, maybe this one. See, marketing is an art if you want to save job in 2020, and this one. So I ran a lot of advertisements before telling you all, right? So I've done a good level of testing while generating a lot of followers Instagram for myself and for others, right? I've created this call to action at the very last of the video. That's bring me little results as well. So what do you think, guys? That was really interesting to see, right? So how I created this kind of campaign and
Actually,
showed
I
you.
want to ask something. That the reach and the impressions are almost same. There is a some less difference. So, what is the difference that impressions and reach?
See, impression will be always be higher. Okay, impression will always be higher. You see this. There is a very slight difference you will found in like impression and reach. Okay, but the charges we pay on the basis of this impression, like Facebook charges on the basis of impression. I'll show you how Facebook charges money. If I click here, I'll click on performance and clicks. You will see one thing. Let me just scroll it on the right, little more right. You see this CPM, cost per 1,000 impression. The moment you got 1,000 impression on the internet, Facebook will charge you like 15 rupees it charge for this particular campaign, 14 rupees charge. So Facebook doesn't bother you got clicks or not. Facebook is bothering about how many impressions you got. Getting it? That's why Google says pay per click. That's like PPC. That's why I say PPC. Google Ads is PPC. They charges for the clicks, and Facebook charge on the impression basis. The moment 1,000 people are watching your ad, no matter they're buying, no matter they're clicking or not, but they are going to bill you. Getting it? All right. That was it for this performance and clicks. And what do you think, guys? You have just witnessed how to create lookalike audiences for using creating an Instagram follower campaign. How was your experience? Let me know. And what do you think? Is that helpful? New thing, and how I've created was never seen before and all.
It's more deeply knowledge in this Facebook ads.
It's never seen before. Extremely good.
Never seen before, right? So it is very deep, and no one will share this. Of course, I'm pretty sure no one will share it, because if everyone know this fact, so why they will hire us? All right, so that's why. But anyways, it's good to always to share all these tactics, because I know out of 10 people, only one people is going to succeed while creating this campaign, but it's not going to affect me or you. Okay, you always learn and grow. But the thing is, you should know this thing exists. Okay, as I told you, you have to become an expert in this industry, and to become an expert, you must know every little aspects, to super high expertise to very low expertise. So now you're getting it on a high level of expertise, that how people are converting a lot of followers on Instagram, how they are retargeting, how they are doing everything, almost like you are watching a lot of things right now in Ads Manager. In fact, this is a live Ads Manager, and it's not even a fresh data which is all everything is zero. I'm showing you live Ads Manager, proven results, proven working techniques, proven ad spends. How much I have spent so far? People spend a lot of money on Ads Manager, but I have just spent only 10,000 rupees only, and just that too, just test for my own purpose, not to generate any business and all. That too for own my purpose. 10,000, 11,000 I've spent it, and people are spending like anything. I cannot show you, of course, other account, which is this my client's account, but they are spending it almost 30 lakhs, 20 lakhs. Okay, I have spent it myself for 10,000, 11,000. But for my client's account, I'm using 11 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs rupees for just doing all these activities, which I'm showing you right now. Whatever I have to test there, I test myself, I learn myself, and I put it there. I run advertisement for myself to see whether it's working or not. If started working, I implement on my client's account. I never test there straight. I test on my ad accounts, then I go there and I'd say, okay, whether it's working or not. All right. It's always have to like you have to do it practice. If I couldn't do this, like suppose after learning this technique, I must have learned somewhere, right? This particular thing. After learning that, I was very curious that how it worked. So after the moment I learned this, very first campaign I've created is follower campaign on my Insta like Ads Manager. After that, I started testing conversion campaign, traffic, lead generation, and all. But the very first campaign was in my ad manager was follower campaign, because I was super curious that how things work. So I started testing every day. I was checking how many clicks I got, how many followers I got. Suppose there is showing 234 clicks. So how many followers I got? I got 100 followers. Okay, so this is the click through rate. This is the amount I've spent. So I used to do this kind of calculations and all, and I used to spend 100 rupees every day. That too is very small. Okay, if you are start investing yourself little bit, no, you'll get it. So what I also want, if you are have an Instagram account, okay, if you have Instagram account, or pretty much you are thinking, so grow it, create your own video like this, which I have shown you right now for myself. Record it, post it on Instagram story, and run advertisement like this, and you will see a lot of followers coming into your profile. Sounds good, right? If you can do it, I'll be more than happy to see it, because this thing is pretty recorded, how to do it and all. And this thing is going to for YouTube for sure. And you can recheck again wherever you want it, you can do it. And I want you to do implement it. What do you think? Can you do it, guys, after showing this simple technique? And it was super easy again, if I have a step-by-step process like this. No one there was there to show me this kind of step-by-step, but I have shown you today that this is the actual step-by-step. I used to learn from the recorded sessions and implement it, but this is something is alive right now in front of you on your plates. Okay, you should respect this, and I want you to start implementing as well. And that is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. And we have learned lookalike audiences today in our Facebook Ads Manager. Congratulations. You are almost done with the Facebook ads. Now the rest is implementation and learn and growing techniques in Facebook ads. Okay. Whew. That was really intense. Don't you think it was intense?
Yes, it was.
Right? Yes. Absolutely. Awesome. So do you have any questions regarding this? You can surely ask right now. and I'm not going to share you much information of lookalike audiences. I've briefed you. I took one of the example which is proven and all. I've shown you example, put it one of my video and published that campaign. So there are a lot more options in the lookalike audiences that you have to explore yourself. That is pretty self-explanatory. Similar working as I created for Instagram, you can create for Facebook, Facebook videos, Facebook likes, those who've engaged. You can upload your Excel sheets and all. You can do it same activity and all. Unless and until you will do it, you will never able to connect with me that what I am trying to say to what to do or what not to do. Okay. So you just start practicing Facebook ads. All right, so it's time for Q&A. Quick Q&A. I have another call schedule, so I have to finish it off. So just tell me if you have any questions.
Lookalike audience from website से कैसे localized audience catch कर सके?
Good question. So we have two options. Suppose I'm running a store. Okay, I'm running a store. Let me just.
If I have a blog website, so take example.
Okay. So see what usually can happen. As you have seen in lookalike audiences, we have multiple options: website, video, customers, offline store, right? So we will use website. Now in a website, what will happen? In order to use website as a source, very first thing is in your website, there should be a pixel integrated, pixel code. Remember, I have shown you pixel code.
Yes.
That should be integrated on your website. If it is not there, the data cannot be read by Facebook. So you have to install it from very first day. Keep it. The moment your traffic will come from your organic reach from maybe Google, Bing, Search Console, paid advertisement, wherever people are coming, what we say, pixel data is collecting all the information. Now you have to command your pixel code from here, like right from here. If I can show you real quick, by going here, let me just click on this. Create lookalike. Create. This is a custom audiences, guys. Here's a website. Okay.
Yes.
Now it will say, this is my pixel source. It is on orange right now because it's not active on my website. Okay. Other pixel is working at back. So it's saying what you want to track it. What should be your events? Now you will say, I want to track whole website. Those who are coming. First thing is this. Then you will say, no, in my website, there are multiple pages, but I want to track those who are coming to my website. And suppose you are running e-commerce company. Okay. Let's not talk about blog. Blog is different. E-commerce company. And people are coming, and after buying, they are coming to thank you page. Okay. Where the people are successfully checked out. Now what you will do, you will click on this. Now you have to apply, you have to copy paste this particular thing. Okay. Like suppose abc.com/thank you.
Any card page or something.
Thank you. Okay. Something similar to this. You will get it after purchasing anything from the store. People go to this URL. Thank you 134. Something is this. Okay. You will say, okay, I want to track those people who are successfully finishing up checkout. The moment you will create these audiences, now you have to give this name ABC and all. You can create the audiences. So this particular lookalike or this is a first custom audience. Okay, then you create lookalike. The first step is this. You cannot skip it. So you have to create custom audience under this thank you page. The moment you create it, the second step automatically comes, as you have seen. This is create a lookalike audiences on the basis of your customers. Suppose in your e-commerce store, 100 sales already done, 200 sales already done. All you have to do is create a lookalike audiences on the basis of this particular URL. So Facebook will automatically detect, okay, your 200 sales are there. He has the 200 people of data in Facebook computers. Okay, they will create lookalike audiences of 10 lakh people automatically. You don't have to use your brain. In fact, you getting it?
Yes, got it. Thank you.
मैंने कल देखा था, आई थिंक कोई एक वीडियो कोई जिसमें फेसबुक पिक्सेल्स की हेल्प से उसने वही उनको टारगेट किया था, जो कि जस्ट लाइक आपका फिटनेस चैनल है, मेरा भी फिटनेस चैनल है, तो मेरे फिटनेस चैनल पे जितनी ऑडियंस आ रही है उन्हीं ऑडियंस को उसने टारगेट किया था. तो ये बहुत इजी हो जाता है कि जो व्यूअर्स हैं, जो ऑडियंस है, वो जिस कंटेंट को लाइक कर रही है, अगर उसी को सिमिलरली हम दिखाएं तो वहां पे भी पहुंच जाएगी जल्दी से। तो फेसबुक पिक्सेल्स इसमें भी हेल्प करते हैं।
Absolutely, yes. Yes, that too you will start doing now. You will get it that how things are working. So start executing. You will get it more. You are pretty correct, but I will not tell you more about it. Okay, so you have to research again, do it your own. Maybe you will fail. Okay, you can see it. I am a proven results of lot of failures in my past. Okay, I've created a lot of ads to just to for one objective. My objective was to bring followers. I've created with this, failed, created with this, failed, created with this, failed, so on and so forth. Ultimately, what happened, I'll tell you. I created my first ad, and this was the cost per click, 4 rupees. That was huge. Okay, I cannot pay 4 rupees for a click for just getting one click. And what if people are clicking on ad and not following? It is a loss for me. Okay, another I have created, stop this campaign, I've created again. Okay, the price, the cost is reduced now, 2 rupees. Then I thought, okay, now cost is good, can I run it more? The moment I run it, I found people are not following it, like targeting is poor. Then I changed it. Then I come here, now again cost has been raised. Again this thing, the moment, unless and until I was not finding my sweet spot, I was keep on testing. There one sweet spot came finally, where my ad cost was 1 rupees 60. This was the sweetest cost.
आई वांट टू आस्क समथिंग जी, हम जिस तरीके से सारी चीजें करते जाते हैं, तो फेसबुक ऑटोमेटिकली कॉस्ट पर क्लिक को घटाता है या हमारे ऐड के इंप्रेशंस के थ्रू उसे बढ़ाता है?
फेसबुक कुछ नहीं करता, फेसबुक कभी हेल्प नहीं करेगा उसको कॉस्ट कम करने के। यू हैव टू क्रिएट योर ऑन ऑडियंस, टेस्ट इट। अगर वो हेल्प करता मेरा फेसबुक, सो वो मुझे यहीं पे हेल्प करता ना, जहाँ पे 7 रुपीज हो गया था, 9 रुपीज हो गया था।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
Why I have to stop it and I have to create another one? Facebook will indicate you it's time to change something, but Facebook will never do automatically. Okay, Facebook will indicate you for sure that this campaign is not working well, this is not thing. And you will see on your right, if I can show you, this will show engagement rate, engagement performance. This is the engagement video played, how many views, performance. Just hang on for a second. If I can show you, targeting creative, engagement. Okay, it's not showing now. It shows that how your ads performing, above average, below average, or above average, like something like that. Okay, if your ads are not performing well, it will be always on below average. You should always aim to go above average on your Facebook ads. If Facebook showing, if Facebook saying sab theek hai, everything is above average, you can relax. You can relax, everything is under control, don't panic. The moment it says below average, your performance below average in industry, you have to think it. There are metrics to track here, and Facebook will give you the hint that you are not doing something correct. Please fix it. Okay, you have to keep eye on it. Getting it?
बट जब हम खुद से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, अकाउंट्स क्रिएशन एंड ऑल, फेसबुक एड्स वगैरह बनाएंगे, तो बिना किसी प्रैक्टिकल, किसी क्लाइंट के फेसबुक एड्स रन करने के बिना हम कैसे जान पाएंगे?
Create for your own profile. फेसबुक छोड़ो, ये इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोअर अकाउंट अपने लिए बनाओ. हाउ आई हैव क्रिएटेड फॉर माई सेल्फ, आई हैव क्रिएटेड फॉर माई सेल्फ ना, to just to check how it works.
We have to invest for ourselves like 200,
Yes.
300 rupees, like okay.
Yes, put 1000 rupees, 500 rupees, put a budget for 100 rupees a day. At least try तो करो कि कैसे चलता है. Like you will see the things working, and you will be more confident that yes, now this is, whether you are not getting followers, it's fine. If you are not getting followers, not, but you will know the process कि काम कैसे होता है. Correct?
Yes, exactly.
Absolutely, yes. And do we have something else to cover? Just a second. Let me just show you here. Above average. Okay, here I can see something above average coming.
Screen is not visible.
Wait. I have hide it. Okay, wait. Yes, quality
Okay.
ranking and all.